Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you the best setting for optimize your Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 G95 and S57cg95. So guys, follow me in this video. This is the best setting as I say. First, open Odyssey menu using joystick control and select custom mode and game mode and the picture setting, and this set brightness to 85 and contrast to 80 and enable local dimming and set it to high, and active HDR mode for compatible content and set black equalities to a 30 game setting, and sharpness guys set up to 50% natural and slight adjust based personal preference to avoid setting it high. So guys, color temperature warm for natural look or color prefer, and gamma set up to 2.2 standard for most uses. For blue light filter enable using monitor for extended hour. This is additional setting guys. Brightness adjust between 70 as I say here to 90, and contrast keep at 80 and 90 dpers, and HDR mode enable and the content monitor. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Any question down below and commenter and I will answer your question.